Quality function deployment from Procurement Lexicon. For more such procurement terminologies, please download the Procurement Lexicon guide. The link is available in the description below. Quality inspection, often synonymous with quality control, QC is a vital component of the procurement and manufacturing process aimed at ensuring that products or services meet established quality standards and adhere to predefined specifications. This process involves systematic and thorough examinations, assessments, and testing of goods or services at various stages of production, delivery, or implementation. The primary objective of quality inspection is to identify and rectify any deviations, defects, or discrepancies that would affect the final quality, safety, or functionality of the product or service. To explore all the 2,500 plus procurement terminologies, download the Procurement Lexicon at www.procurementlexicon.com. For globally recognized procurement and supply chain certifications, please visit www.physics.net.